y'all, welcome back to my channel. And apparently Harley's, there's my little dog. So today we're gonna be doing my go-to glam makeup look. I kind of changed it up a little bit, and I don't think I've done a full glam look. This is basically what I do if I go out, if it's my, like I did it for my birthday, and I think I did it for my prom, but I changed it up a little bit. So we're gonna do that today. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I start off with is primer, and I start off with my Monistat Chafing Relief Powder Gel. I know it's a little weird, you guys probably think it's weird, but I actually got this trick from Nicole Guerrero. She did this like back in the day when she like first started YouTube, and I've kind of stuck to it ever since then, like 4 or 5 years ago. So yeah. And then I just put on some Vaseline Lip Therapy in the Rose Set just because I don't like foundation on my lips. So this helps, and it gets my lips ready for lipstick at the end. And you guys know I like to start off with face, so I'm going to take my LA Girls Pro Coverage foundation, and this is in the shade Nude Beige. And I used to take a whole bunch of colors, but now I just do one. So I just do a whole pump of that, and then just put it on my face. And just taking my Real Techniques sponge and blending that away. Excuse me. Yeah. And now taking concealer, I just take my Colourpop one, and this is in the shade Medium Beige, and this is really full coverage, so I don't put too much on, but I put enough on just to cover my bags. And I kind of have a scar there from acne, so I just cover that up. So just do like a triangle. And this is, even though I said this wasn't a lot, this is still a lot. And I always put on my nose because I feel like it makes it look slimmer. Maybe it doesn't, but whatever. And then kind of do 3 on my forehead. So like I said, this is really full coverage, so yeah. And right after I blend my concealer, I like to go in straight with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I go right in after. So that's what I'm going to show you now. And I feel like this concealer does oxidize a little bit into a darker color. So it looks lighter in the beginning, but it gets darker as it sits on your face. And then I just take a little bit like on my sponge just like this, and I kind of tap it on my face just to kind of set my face, but I do not want it to be like really heavy, just like a light coverage, so it's ready for our powder products. So next I'm going to contour, and I just take my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. This is really cheap and inexpensive, guys. So, and you come with a lot of shades. This is like 14 bucks. I just take this shade right here on my Real Techniques brush and contour. So we'll look like slim. The shadow. And don't forget to bring it up here because we don't want to be looking like we just have lines here and down here. And now taking the Laura Mercier powder again, I'm just going to bake underneath, just like that. Just like that. Now I'm just gonna brush the under eye powder away. There he goes. And then going into blush, I'm just gonna take my Tarte Blush Bazaar palette, and looks really nice and fancy and gold. Oh my god. And I'm going to take, honestly I use this palette, but I take a different shade each time. But what I've been using lately is the shade right here, which is called Endless. And I just put that right here. And I focus this more on my edge here, so it kind of blends in with my contour. And then a little bit here. Just like that. Wow. So now I like to set it, because you guys know I like to set it so I don't look powdery. So I'm taking my Badescu Aloe Water Cucumber one, and I spray this all over my face. And you guys know I like a lot. And we're gonna let that dry, but gotta take our fan. Oh my God. Guys, I found these at the dollar store and I was like, I need that so it can be extra. But yeah, it actually helps. So I just kind of, and look how pretty it is. You can be like, But yeah, I just take this and wow, super cute. Yeah, just to dry my face. And then we could look like a model, like. And we're gonna be taking the only Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. I actually should have put this in my giveaway, but I forgot, guys. Next giveaway, I promise. But you guys know, look, it's like beat. Like, there's nothing left. I bought a new one, but I just didn't. I'm not gonna open it until this one's like completely gone, because we need to save money, you know? Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, this, like, literally, it makes me shook. Get the nose. Oh my God. Get the Cupid's bow. Bitch. Oh my God. Get our chin. Okay. Wow. Don't worry, guys. We're gonna blend it out so it's not looking like this, okay? I was gonna put a second one on, but like, this looks good by itself. What? $4? Who? Huh? Becca who? Becca is shook by the way we look. We're glowing. We're done the face now after all that. So we just take one palette. This is the Tarte Tartlette in Bloom palette. Do you guys see how pretty it is? This is like my just get started in the makeup look. So first shade we're gonna take is the shade right here, and it is Smarty Pants, and this is my loved shade because it's the perfect transition color. And I already set my concealer with the powder and concealer, so that's my base. And we're just gonna be taking this in our crease, but kind of putting it on the outer corner as well. I'm just gonna zoom you guys in. There you go. So we're just gonna, so we kind of want to blend it out, so I'm just taking like a fluffy brush, and this is clean. It's just really hard to get out. So yeah, that's gonna be our base. The second color I'm gonna go into is the shade right here, which is called Firecracker, and I'm just gonna take that on my finger and pop that all on my lid. And you guys can see this is like so pretty. And I put it on really messily, guys, because I don't care. But yeah, I just popped that here. Oh my God. Oh my God. My God. Alright. So now that we got that on, I'm just going to take the shade right here, which is Leader, and mix it in with Rebel, because we rebels out here, goth. And I'm just going to take that on my outer corner right here and blend it like that. Oh, I found it. So again, taking that blending brush, we're just going to blend out the lines so they're not so harsh. See, it's like really soft now. Same with this side. And then just to brighten up the look a little bit, I'm just gonna take this shade Funny Girl right here in the corner. And this one is loved as well. And I'm gonna pop that in the inner corner right here. And that just kind of gives it a more of a glow and a pop in the inner corner. So the last thing for the eyeshadow is I'm just going to highlight my brow bone, and I'm going to be taking the shade Flower Child right here, and I'm popping that on my brow bone right there just to highlight it. And then I'm just going to take my NYX liquid liner, and I'm just going to do a line no wing. And yeah, so I kind of jacked up my eyeliner, but that's okay. You guys can't really see it because you're far away now, but the eyelashes will fix all of that. So I'm gonna be taking my eyelashes. These are the Kiss ones, and these are in the style Flirty. These are my go-to ones, like for faux glam, and I'm gonna be right back and put them on because I can't put them on camera. I just wanted to come back to show y'all the difference that this, I didn't put mascara on yet, but like the difference that it makes me look like I have no eyeball. Well, like up person it doesn't look that way. What? That's okay, we can look like we had like really fake lashes on, but I swear in person, guys, these look really natural. Okay, so I got them on. They look kind of weird today. I don't know why they're looking like really big and full and like I have no eyelid, but we're gonna go with it. So now I'm just gonna take mascara. This is the Essence False Lashes Dramatic Volume Unlimited Mascara, super cheap, and I'm just gonna pop that on my bottom, just my top lashes, sorry. Now we're going to do the lower lash line, and I'm just going to take this shade here, Firecracker, and just put that on my entire bottom lash. And just because I have a little fallout from the eyeshadow, I just take this. Just taking my fluffy brush, I just smoke it out. And then going back in with my Essence mascara, I'm just gonna take this and put on my bottom lashes. And we still have some crack on our face, so you gotta dust that away, just like that. And then take in my big blending brush. We're gonna just do this. So now I'm just gonna do my brows, and I'm taking my NYX Sculpt and Highlight Brow Contour pencil, and this is in the shade Brunette, and I'm just gonna do that to fill in my sparse pieces of my brows. So now I'm just going to take my Essence Clear Brow Gel, and I'm just going to put this in my brows to set them in place. Ooh, here we go. So to finish off the look, I'm going to take my favorite lip color ever, and this is the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Soft Spoken. I already know it by heart. And we're just going to apply this all on our lips. And I like to call this My Lips But Better. And that is going to finish off my go-to glam makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe down below, because if you like this one, you'll probably like my other ones. And yeah, do not forget to comment down below some more video requests for what I should do, because I have a whole bunch planned, but I want to film stuff that you guys want to see. So if you have any ideas for what I should film, let me know, because I think I'm going to do a skincare routine, all that stuff, because you guys said I have clear skin. So I figured, why not show you guys my routine. So yeah, if you guys like my video, subscribe. So yeah, I love you guys, and don't forget to stay confident and forget about those naysayers. So yeah, love you guys, and until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye y'all.